Today, let's make a delicious Bhindi Masala sabji with a lip-smacking thick gravy using simple ingredients and an easy recipe. Do make it at least once my way. The bhindi or okra will be well coated with the masala and the gravy will be nice and creamy. You'll love it. Hi there, I'm Veena. Welcome back to Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here I have 400 grams of lady's fingers or bhindi. I have washed and then dried them with a kitchen towel. See that you buy tender bhindi whose pointed ends you can break off easily. Let's cut off the tops and the ends. And then cut the larger lady's fingers into 3 pieces each and the smaller ones into 2 pieces each. Also, slit each piece along 3/4 of its length, not the entire length. Let's keep these aside and then puree 3 large tomatoes. First, let's chop each one into small pieces and then puree these in a mixer or blender jar, like this, and keep this aside. In this pan, I have 3 tablespoons of oil heating up on a medium flame. To it, let's add around 5 to 6 finely chopped green chillies. Sauté these and then add in the chopped bhindi. After a minute or so, add in 1 teaspoon of lime juice. The oil and the lime juice will prevent the lady's fingers or okra from becoming slimy. Continue sautéing it on medium heat for around 7 to 8 minutes till it changes color slightly and is around 80% cooked. Then mix in half a teaspoon of salt. Turn off the heat and remove the bhindi to a bowl. To the same pan, let's add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and when it heats up, throw in 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And then add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Sauté the onions till they become brownish. Then add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of besan. The besan will keep the masala together and give it a good texture. After frying the besan for a minute, add in 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and a 1/4 cup of hot water. Let the spices cook for a minute and then add the tomato puree we prepared earlier. Next, add 2 teaspoons of dhania or coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. Stir everything and cover and cook the masala for around 2 to 3 minutes to let it thicken a little. You'll see a little oil separating by now. Now let's add in some yogurt. This is around 5 tablespoons, that is a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. My yogurt has a distinct sour taste, but it wasn't too sour. That's how it should be. The yogurt should not be on the sweet side. If it is less sour, add in around 2 tablespoons more of it. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Kasuri Methi. If you don't have it, then skip it. But if you have it at home, do add it. It adds a good flavor to the bhaji. And then add 2 teaspoons of Kitchen King masala or garam masala instead. I'm using my homemade Kitchen King masala. If you want to learn how to make this masala or garam masala at home, I've put the link to my homemade masalas video in the description below. Then add 3/4 cup of hot water, that is half a cup, and an additional 1/4 cup or so. Let the gravy come to a boil and then add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar as a taste enhancer. And finally add in the fried bhindi. Cover the pan and let the bhindi cook for around 3 to 4 minutes till it is fully cooked. After that, taste the masala and adjust its taste to your liking, adding more salt, chilli powder or yogurt as needed. Remember, the masala will thicken rapidly on cooling. The Bhindi Masala is ready, so garnish it with chopped coriander and serve it hot with steamed rice or chapatis. Do give my recipe a shot and drop me a comment to let me know how you liked it, okay? Bye for now. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.